Heat maps are used to show the relationships between two variables, one plotted on each axis. By observing how cell colors change across each axis, you can observe if there are any patterns in values for one or both variables. Here is an example of heat map. This is called as risk map. It shows the likelihood and impact of organizations' risks. Risks that fall in green areas of a map require no action or monitoring. Risks that fall in red portion of the map require urgent attention. Risks in yellow and orange portions require some countermeasures. In data analysis, Heatmap is a powerful data visualization tool to understand correlations between variables. Darker colors usually indicate higher correlation values, while lighter colors indicate low or no correlation values. In this video, we will generate correlation heatmap for mtcars dataset. Let's quickly understand the term correlation. Correlation is a statistical measure that quantifies the strength and direction of the linear relationship between two variables. It ranges from -1 to +1, where -1 indicates a perfect negative correlation, +1 indicates a perfect positive correlation, and 0 indicates no correlation. In R, the correlation between two variables can be found out using core function. If core function is used on dataset or matrix, it computes the correlation between all the columns of the data frame or matrix. So if core function is used on mtcars dataset, then it gives the correlation values for all the variables in the dataset. Let's jump onto the RStudio and generate the heat map. To generate the correlation heat map for mtcars dataset, we have to first install corplot package. We load the package in current R session using library function. Then we will use corplot function to generate the correlation heat map. Remember, we must pass the correlation matrix to corplot function. So before we use corplot function, we need to create a correlation matrix for mtcars dataset. We will use core function, pass on the dataset into it, and save the result into core mtcars object. If we view the matrix, here we get all the correlation values between different variables. We can also see that all the values along the diagonals are 1, indicating a correlation of a variable with its own values. It is very difficult to read the correlation values in this matrix. For example, correlation between variable AM and gear. We have to scan through the matrix for rows and columns and then find the values at its intersection. This is manual and error-prone task. Instead, we will show the correlation matrix using Heatmap. Now we will use a corplot function, pass on the correlation matrix to it. Method is the visualization method for correlation matrix. We can use square, circle, ellipse, etc. to represent the correlation value. In this case, we will use circle. So let's execute it, and we get the correlation heat map. The dark blue colors are high positive correlation values, and dark red colors are high negative correlation values. You can quickly spot the highly positive correlation between variables gear and AM. We have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.